This is our 3D printer. To use this, you're going to have to do some preparation work in Tinkercad or in another program, which you can look at. But I also want you to know the parts of the printer. So we have a bat on here right now. You're going to want to print onto a bat so that you'll be able to move it off the printer when you're done. You can clip the bat on so it doesn't move on you. The printer has 3 directions it can go. It has the extruder, and the printing machine, right, can push the clay out of the nozzle. You can swap for different nozzles. It can push out faster or slower, and this whole contraption can move up and down. This is the x-axis. It goes up and down, that's all. This part here can go back and forward, and it can go side to side. This is Y, this is Z. And how it prints is this thing moves and this thing extrudes, and they do that in combination to print the print that you're working with. Usually you'll come in and this will be set up. You can learn how to do some of the setup work, but usually it'll be ready for you. You're also going to need a USB drive, a SD drive, and these ones have mini SD cards in them that we can put into the computer. This is where the controls are, and once this thing is plugged in, you can turn the power button. If anything goes wrong while it's printing, it starts behaving weird or making a funny noise, you just hit that green button and shut it off. It needs to reset, and sometimes it can be a little bit temperamental. Other tools and things that you might need are usually kept up here. We have duplicates of things like the nozzle, and so if someone is finishing off the tube of clay, we can refill the next tube of clay. There are also extra SD cards kept in here, and the extra nozzles as well. So now that you've seen the basic machine and what you need to know, I'm going to show you specifically what happens there on the computer screen.